This video, I am going to talk about how can you sell your Bitcoin into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And after that, tap to this Binance icon into the top left corner. And after tapping in there, you will get to see this option of P2P. Select P2P, and after selecting the P2P, you will get to see this page right here. Now into here, you just simply have to select this sell option and then choose your cryptocurrency by tapping into here. Just simply select the Bitcoin if you want to sell it, and after tapping into Bitcoin, you can see all of the available options in order to sell your Bitcoins. This one is the highest paying one, so just simply tap to sell button, and after that you have to enable this message authentication and KYC verification, and after that you can easily sell the Bitcoins that you have. Just simply enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to sell and then it is done. This way you can easily sell your Bitcoin in your Binance. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.